Hey, what's going on, everybody? We're here with some basic pre-algebra. So, in this video, we're about to quickly go over your multiplication and division. All right. So we're about to do a few examples and to freshen up on our multiplication and division. So let's start with let's say 5. Ooh, let me thinking that up. 5 times 5. All right. So in multiplication, when you times a number, you're basically saying you want to take this number this many times. All right. So 5 times. All right. So that is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which equals 25. All right. All right, here's another one. 6 times 8. All right. So what you're doing, you're taking 6 8 times. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. 6 plus 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 6. All right. So what does that equal? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. All right. All right. Let's do another one. Let's say 10 times 9. All right. We're going to take 10 9 times. All right. 10 9 times. 10 plus 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 10. All right. And add that up, and that equals 90. All right. All right, let's do one more multiplication. Let's say 7 times 1. All right. So basically, we're taking 7 1 times. All right. That equals 7. And here's a bonus one. 3 times 0. All right. So we're taking 3 0 times, which equals 0. Anything times by 0 equals 0, and anything times 1 equals itself. Right? All right, so let's do some division now. All right. So let's do some division. And let's say that we want, let's say 6 divided by 36. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 6 and see how many times it goes into this number. All right. So you take the number on the left-hand side and you see how many times it goes into the right-hand side. So 6, let's take the first number, 6 and 3. Does 6 go into 3? No, it doesn't. Does 6 go into 36? Yes, it does. How many times does 6 go into 36? It goes into 36 6 times. All right. 6 times 6 is 36 minus equals 0. All right. And how do we know 6 times 6 is 36? Well, we verify that by adding it up 6 times, which is an easy check for multiplication. But depending on how long the multiplication is, a calculator could be useful at this point as well. But that is 36. So we did verify that 6 goes into 36 6 times with no remainder. Right? Because you minus 36 and see what the remainder is, but there is no remainder. So it's an even division. All right. Let's see 8 and 50. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's do 8 and 50. All right. Does 8 go into 5? No, it doesn't. Does 8 go into 50? Yes, it does. So how many times does 8 go into 50? All right. Let's see. 8 goes into 50 6 times. All right. So what is 6 times 8? 6 times 8 is equal to 48. All right. All right, so you minus 50 from 48. Minus 48 from 50, and you're left with 2. All right. So you have 6 with a remainder of 2. All right. 8 goes into 50 6 times with the remainder of 2. And that's how you solve that problem. All right. So let's do one more. All right. So let's do another problem. Let's take let's see 4 divided by 132. All right. All right. Does 4 go into 1? No, it doesn't. Does 4 go into 13? Yes, it does. How many times does 4 go into 13? 4 goes into 13 3 times. All right. So 4 times 3 equals 12. All right. So we subtract 13 from 12 and get a remainder of 1. All right. Bring down the 2. All right. So now, how many times does 4 go into 12? 3. All right. 3 times 4 is 12. So we subtract 12 from here. And we don't have a remainder. So 4 goes into 132 33 times. All right. So that is multiplication and division. So stay tuned. In our next video, we're going over the order of operations. All right. Thank you.